Hey everybody, welcome back. In this next lesson, we are going to be setting our business goals and also setting up our profile, which is going to unlock the live chat element here within Wealthy Affiliate that I alluded to in the last lesson. So without further ado, let's jump right into that process. Okay, so there's a few ways in which you can set up your business goals and your profile. I'm gonna do it from the activity dashboard. So if you click on the activity link up in the top menu here, that is going to take you to the activity dashboard here. Now there's a set up your WA profile here at the right, and we can click on that and we can set up our business goals and our profile here. You can also find it down below under the profile setup. And if you click the profile setup over here on the left, that is also going to take you to the profile setup as well. So I'm gonna click the one on the right here, set up your profile, and there's a 3-step process to setting up your profile. The benefit of setting up your profile here is that it allows you to interact with the community in a way where you're more of a person and a stakeholder in the community. Once you have an image, once you have a bio, and you've set some goals for yourself, you have more stake in the game and the community, and you're likely to get a lot better interaction instead of having no profile image or no bio. And it's very easy to set up, and you only have to share with what you're comfortable with. You don't have to add a personal profile image, and you don't have to share your life story within your bio, but having something there is going to lead to a lot more engagement and a lot better ability to network with others here in the awesome community. And we're a very helpful community, and one with a lot of aspiring and very successful affiliate marketers and online business owners. So anyways, step 1, upload your image. Now you can choose from images on your computer. So you could click that. You can use your Facebook image. So if you're logged into Facebook, you click that and it's going to connect to Facebook. It will prompt you to do that, and you can use your Facebook image, or you can choose a sample image as well. So if I wanted to choose a sample image, you're going to have images to choose from there as well. So say I want this fancy car as my profile image. I'm going to select that, and that is added there as step number 1. So checked off. The next step, add a bio. Now, write a bio, something short and sweet. You can share whatever you want. What's your goal here at Wealthy Affiliate? Maybe a little bit of information about yourself, what you want to achieve by being here at Wealthy Affiliate, maybe some of your backstory, things you've tried in the past. You can share whatever you like there. I'm just gonna do something simple now to speed up this video. My name is Kyle, and I'll just leave it at that. Add and save to the profile, and you can always edit that down the road, so don't worry. And same with image, you can always add a personal image or change your personal image or have multiple images down the road. So these 2 first steps are now completed. The next step is going to be setting some goals for yourself. If I click on that, it's going to open up the goal setting component of this. So what we want to do is set some money goals for ourselves. We're all here to build a business, and we're here to build some success within the online world. And that starts with having some goals that we can work towards and that we can achieve. So the first question here is, how much money per month would you be happy earning? So maybe I'm earning, $5,000 per month in my day-to-day job, and I just want to replace that. Or maybe I would just want to earn an extra $1,000 to supplement my existing income. Put something there that is realistic and that you want to achieve. Because in the next step, it says how much money per month would allow you to live the ideal lifestyle. And this might mean a lot more travel, the flexibility to be at home with your kids or your family, the ability to travel the world, the ability to buy that fancy car that you've wanted. How much money would you need to live in that ideal lifestyle? I'm going to put 30,000 because that's a fair number. Anything is possible within the online world. I want to remind you of that there's 5.5 billion people online. That is our potential audience. There's hundreds of millions of products and services you can promote and earn revenue from, which I'm going to be explaining in the next lesson. So the sky is the limit. There's no upper cap to your potential. If you work hard at this, you can create a thriving business within the online world. So I just wanted to, draw your attention to that concept as well, because that is the reality within the online world. How many hours per week are you willing to invest to achieve this? Maybe I'm able to put in 2 hours a day, so 14 hours a week. Maybe you have no other commitments and you can put in a 40-hour week. Maybe you do have lots of commitments and maybe you can put in an hour a day. So whatever works for you there, you can add that to your goal. And then I'm just going to simply click post your goals. And you can see that has immediately unlocked the chat over here. We are an active chat and an active community. You can now go into chat. You can say hi. You can introduce yourself. You'll likely see me in there if you're there throughout the day. But you can get help here within the community through chat, real time. If you ever have a question that you need immediate help with, jump in here. If you ever want to join in on a conversation, head over there. And if you want to introduce yourself, which is always a good idea, jump into the live chat and do so. We're a warm, welcoming, and very helpful community here at Wealthy Affiliate. So now that I have completed this process of setting up my profile, I'm going to go back to my hub and then I'll view the hub and the training. And then I am going to check off this second lesson. You are now complete 2 lessons. What we're going to do now is we're going to learn how to make money. It's a 3-step process. I think you're going to be really excited when you learn how simple this process is. Of course, there's complexities to it, but the process itself has not changed since I started back in 2002. Showing my age now, but the process of building a business online hasn't changed, and the process of making money hasn't changed. The ways that you can drive traffic and revenue to your business has, and those are things that we are going to be covering. So when you're ready, jump into this next lesson and we will be discussing the make money process. If you have any questions, jump over into the comments. I'll be more than happy to help you out. I hope you've enjoyed this step, and make sure you jump into live chat if you get the opportunity, because again, we are a really awesome community here, and one with a lot of experience and one that's willing to help you every step of the way. So I hope you have a good day, and I will see you in the next lesson. Cheers.